Looking for AC repair and maintenance in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we know how essential a reliable cooling system is, especially during peak summer months. If your AC isn't working efficiently or needs a tune-up, our expert technicians provide fast, professional service to restore performance and lower energy costs. From emergency AC repair to routine HVAC maintenance, we help extend the life of your system and keep your home comfortable. In Edmonton, changing weather can put extra strain on your air conditioner. That's why we offer customized AC maintenance solutions to prevent breakdowns and maximize efficiency year-round. With same-day service, expert repairs, and upfront pricing, Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for AC repair and maintenance in Edmonton. Keep watching to see why homeowners count on us for expert cooling solutions.